Okay, for this section, what we're going to be doing is looking at how do you end any end a dance sequence. So we're going to look at 3 or 4 different ways that you can end a sequence based upon what you're going to do next. When you're ending a sequence, it's generally either count 4 or 8 of your typical line dance sequence. Typically, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on that 4th or 8th beat, there's several ways you can do it. You can either end in a touch. You're putting just the ball of your foot and your toes on the ground, like you're tippy-toeing, leaving your heel up. That's giving a signal to your body that this is the foot that's going to be going next. So when I touch, I'm going to be moving this foot next. I can do that with my left foot, or with my right. I'm just going to come to a touch. Another step you can do to end a sequence is a step, where you step your whole foot on the floor and put your weight on it. That's giving your body a signal that your opposite foot is the one that's probably going to be moving next. And again, you can do that with your left foot or with your right to move the opposite foot. Another very common ending is a step. A step is where you're coming like you're going to come to a touch, but you're bringing it usually forward and just very lightly brushing the bottom of your foot along the ground. So we do that a scuff, and generally that's the foot that's going to go next. You can do that with your left foot or with your right. And then the final thing that we're going to talk about is a cross. When you're ending it, you can end where you go across. One foot goes across the body to the other side. That's generally saying that your next move is going to be along that direction. So if I cross my left foot over my right, I'm generally going to be moving to the right on my next step. If I cross my right foot over my left, I'm generally going to be moving to my left as I go to the next step. So again, we have our touch, our step, our scuff, and a cross. Those are 4 pretty common endings to a dance sequence.